की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Tymmen ibalah nyopos nam kerta, ibalah tip kerteng kum irupina renja. Ila mensau jor namar ka jingsa yu hakawai ka Bolero pickup kapadon your registration number ML North South pra Khyndailad way. Kani ka jingja kalaja hakapor lai beji ye hakalai potrek ujaliu arjar pesan ha Khyndailad hajan ka nongrum hotel. Ka Bolero kala yu ye ini Tymmen na ki benta jong ka kejat bat hadien katu ka nipor lapen kit ye sia civil hospital Shillong hanrei khamadien lapen kenri ano sia ka weipat hospital namarba ka jingsi tom kala jorba. Kani ka jingja kala jaru akasngi baka Shillong municipal board ka khanra ye ki nong di madan ha Khyndailad.
Para kasir untuk telia.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.